Bats often evoke a sense of mystery and even fear. They are creatures of the night, flitting silently through the darkness. However, bats are truly remarkable animals. They are the only mammals capable of true flight. Bats are found all over the world, and they play a vital role in their ecosystems. Bats are incredibly diverse. There are over 1,400 species of bats, each with its own unique characteristics. Some bats are tiny, with wingspans of only a few inches. Others are giants with wingspans of over 6 feet. Bats are essential to the health of our planet. They are important pollinators and seed dispersers. Bats also help to control insect populations. By learning about bats, we can better appreciate their importance and help to protect them. Scientists divide bats into two main groups, Megachiroptera and Microchiroptera. These names might sound complicated, but they simply mean large bats and small bats. While size is one difference, there are other ways to tell them apart. Megabats, as their name suggests, are generally larger. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Australia. Megabats have large eyes and excellent eyesight. They mainly eat fruit, nectar, and pollen. Microbats are smaller than megabats. They are found all over the world except in the polar regions. Microbats have small eyes and rely on echolocation to navigate and find food. Most microbats eat insects. Bats have adapted to live in a wide variety of habitats around the world. They can be found in forests, caves, deserts, and even cities. No matter where they live, bats need a safe place to roost during the day. Caves are a popular roosting spot for many bat species. Caves provide bats with a dark, sheltered environment where they can rest and raise their young. Some bats prefer to roost in trees. They may hang upside down from branches or find shelter in tree hollows. In urban areas, bats may roost in buildings. Attics, barns, and bridges can provide bats with the shelter they need. Bats are highly adaptable creatures, and they can often be found in unexpected places. From ancient skies to modern nights, bats have a long and fascinating evolutionary history. They are ancient creatures with fossils dating back over 50 million years. These fossils show that bats evolved from small tree-dwelling mammals. Over millions of years, bats developed the ability to fly. Their wings evolved from their front limbs with skin stretching between elongated fingers. This unique adaptation allowed bats to exploit a niche that no other mammal had filled, the night sky. Early bats likely fed on insects. As bats diversified, their diets expanded to include fruit, nectar, and even meat. Bats have continued to evolve and adapt over millions of years, resulting in the incredible diversity we see today. Masters of the air, bats are the only mammals capable of true sustained flight. Their wings are supported by elongated finger bones, which are connected by a thin but strong membrane of skin. This membrane, called the patagium, extends from the body to the tips of the fingers and down to the legs. To fly, bats flap their wings up and down in a figure-8 pattern. This movement generates lift, allowing the bat to stay airborne. Bats are incredibly agile flyers. They can twist, turn, and even hover in mid-air. Their small size and light weight also contribute to their maneuverability. With a diverse palate, bats have a wide range of dietary preferences, and their feeding habits vary greatly depending on the species. However, the majority of bats are insectivores, meaning they primarily eat insects. These bats play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, devouring vast quantities of moths, beetles, and mosquitoes each night. Fruit bats, as their name suggests, have a diet consisting mainly of fruit. They use their keen sense of smell to locate ripe fruit. Nectar-feeding bats have long tongues and specialized teeth for extracting nectar from flowers. They play an important role in pollination.